Want to change the AI model Perplexity AI uses for its responses? As of December 2025, if you have a Perplexity Pro subscription priced at $20 per month or $200 per year, you can access multiple models beyond the default. This unlocks access to models like GPT-4, Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and Grok 1.5, in addition to Perplexity's default model. To switch, log into your Perplexity AI account via the web or app. Then, access your settings by clicking on the gear icon. Look for the AI model or model preferences section. You'll see a drop-down list where you can select your preferred model. Your choice will instantly apply to new queries. Remember that free users are limited to the default model, and pro users might have hourly limits on model switches. Perplexity also helpfully shows which model was used for each response. Using different AI models allows you to generate responses with different styles, accuracy, and data sourcing. Why bother switching AI models in Perplexity AI? Each model has its strengths, allowing you to tailor the AI's output to your specific needs. For example, GPT-4 excels in creative tasks like writing stories or generating ideas, while Claude emphasizes safety and strong reasoning, which makes it great for factual research and reliable information. Grok injects humor into its insights, which is perfect for brainstorming and coming up with fun ideas. Switching models lets you tailor the AI's output to your specific needs, choosing the right tool for each job. Beyond just changing the AI model, also consider adjusting settings like temperature for creativity level, ranging from 0 for more focused to 1 for more creative responses, and max tokens for response length, helping you control how detailed or brief the AI's output should be. Perplexity combines these AI models with its own retrieval augmented generation system for accurate, up-to-date responses. By switching models, you can work around the weaknesses of a single AI model, like bias or incorrect information. This feature empowers you to experiment and find the perfect AI for the task at hand.